Hey guys, today we're at Thompson Family Plumbing. We got a little bit of a late start. We're trying to hurry up, get everything ready for everybody. Right now they're in a meeting, so we don't want to interrupt them. But we're gonna give you more of an in-depth behind the scenes of how we shoot Thompson Family Plumbing. This is our third month shooting for them, and we have a lot to shoot today. So I'm gonna try my best to break down, talk to the client, and then talk to you guys. As far as that, I'm excited. Shout out to Thompson Family Plumbing. They're amazing. They've been hiring us for 3 months now. Look at the fucking mascot. You baby. If you look at their logo, I always wondered, I wonder where the puppy came from. But there it is.
Part of the family.
Now it's gone. Figure this out. So now she's riling everybody up back here. So I got my iPad. This is where I'm gonna visualize everything, see everything.
And I don't know what your thoughts are on this. Maybe just record everything I say audio and then do it on film again so you have two versions, or what do you think?
Just you talking it, because I at least need you talking at least for a little bit, and I could put the voice over everything.
Got it.
But that would be a lot better if we just get you saying it and then kind of winging it from there. How you feel? Good. Usually scripts of this length takes a lot of time.
I know.
We're gonna try our best to kind of get this done for you.
I'm gonna really shorten it as much as I can.
Okay.
Like I said, want to hit those key points.
Okay, awesome. Do we have a mic for her?
Right here.
That mic for that camera.
Yeah, if my sisters are not busy, I'll definitely bring them.
Yeah, if they want to. The little tiny skinny girl,
Yeah.
she had 5 steals. She had all kinds. She was all crazy getting in there. She even took 2 shots.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah. Monroe picked up
It would
a
be
girl
nice
and
to
threw her to the floor.
maybe start that intro. You here, maybe everyone around you just chilling.
Yeah.
And then from there, just some voiceovers from you.
Okay, got it.
Cool. And then I'm gonna try to get everybody talking on camera.
Anthony, can we get everybody in proper uniform? 5 minutos, por favor.
I don't speak Spanish.
I said take your jacket off for 5 minutes.
I know I look like I do.
Look at them. Well, you shot like Havasu basically, you know? Did you find the mic, Ernie? Did you find it? Oh, thank you. This is for the camera, right?
Yeah.
Let me mic you up. So this is the actual mic
Yep.
now. Let's do some test shots.
Yep.
Okay, go, you can start rolling.
Test.
And this one, you could look at the paper and whatnot. We're gonna use that as the voiceover, okay?
Okay, got it. Let me know when you're ready.
Cue her down, count down for. So this is basically what you're gonna be having when you're direct. So if you wanna hold that.
Okay, I'm ready. Hey everybody, I'm Devin Thompson, and today
So there's too much space right here. So I would say, cut that a little bit,
So
right?
go ahead, stay tuned, and let me introduce you to my incredible team that comes and focuses on you. The captions up there, though.
Captions usually go down here or up here. But yeah, you're right. Either or. So you can stay right there.
Okay.
But the camera move's gonna go like this, all right? We're kind of gonna bring the whole team to life,
You want
okay?
me to stand? You want me to walk?
If you could just maybe take a couple steps forward to kind of but other than that, you're good. You could take one or two steps back. There you go. Okay, everybody ready? Smile. Make sure you look into the lens. 3, 2, 1, action.
I'm Devin Thompson with Thompson Family Plumbing. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to showcase our incredible team that make all that magic happen for you, the customer.
Awesome. Let's do one more.
Okay?
All right, zoom in a little more tighter shot just in case.
Feeling my confidence.
It's great. I'm just getting tighter and tighter shots.
Let's do it.
Okay, careful with the movement. It seems like you're going like this. Try to be smooth with it.
Hey, what's up, High Desert? I'm Devin Thompson of Thompson Family Plumbing. We're going to take you behind the scenes to showcase our incredible team that makes all that magic happen for you, our customer.
Awesome.
Thank you.
No, because you're I thought you were going to get ready to do something.
Okay, so
Okay.
now that you've seen the brains behind our operation, let's head outside. Maybe I should be inside and then walk.
Yeah, that's what I was
while
thinking.
opening the door.
That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
We'll probably have you just honestly walking, because we can't have you from shadow to no shadow.
Right.
So we'll probably just have you walking out of here. This guy's too tall, dude.
Roman, you got
Yes.
1 second.
Oh my God. All right, let's have you walking out.
Let me turn the music on.
Yeah, thank you. What's going on back there? Oh,
Fucking partying.
all right. No work.
Little smuggle tunnel here.
How you feel, Ernie?
Chilling. This is nice.
Easy shoot, right? Why is this shit lagging? No.
Because you keep rotating it.
If you rotate it? Oh, okay. Start your lines. Where's your lines at?
Second page.
Second page.
Now that you've seen the brains
Okay.
behind our operation,
So So Ernie's gonna actually, I'm thinking Ernie, she walks into frame. So maybe have this. Yeah, have that. So, okay. I'm gonna have you walk. I'd rather just show you. It's a pretty good shot. Stay right there, Ernie. Stay right there.
I'm right there.
Okay. I'll probably move this sign out the way.
So right as you walk in,
I'm probably
move back now.
just a little bit, but I'm not gonna have her walk all the way over there. I'm just gonna have her like step in the frame. So now that you saw, blah, blah, blah. So go ahead and check
I
that
see
out.
What you're saying.
So you're gonna walk in the frame. So now that you seen the brains of the operation,
Love it.
let's head outside. Our foreman is driving. Blah, blah, blah. Cool.
Can we? Because I'm so critical. Can we make it tight where you can't see that ceiling?
Yeah, we'll cut that.
Okay.
We'll cut that.
Crop it a little bit.
Yeah, can you cut that ceiling out? Let's do that one more time.
Yeah.
Here you go. You check that out.
So it's my part or Devin's part?
Devin.
Then it's
Oh yeah, you're not up. I'm tripping. You're
All
not
right, Ty.
up.
It's our turn?
Not yet.
Wish.
But I'm building up to you.
Let's.
You ain't even a what?
I kind of want to show like that she's in a shop. So, let's see how it looks in here.
Hey, Ty, in this pit,
Yeah, it looks cool in here.
can you be putting this overstock away?
Yes.
Okay.
Could we grab you inside here, Dev? Come in here, Ernie.
Oh, this video you're doing right now?
No, I'm just saying when it happens.
Yes, yes.
Stay over there. Come over here,
How
Devin.
about I walk in the cage,
Yeah, I think we'll have you do that.
and then Ty can just be in the background pretending.
All right, cool. He could be like behind it.
Yeah.
All right, so you stay over here. Have her walk into the gate, and then let me show you. An important part. So I don't know my lines.
There's a new sheriff in town, motherfucker. That motherfucker's name be Ty.
Are you a small business?
Well, fuck you.
All right.
I watched that, I was like, yes.
I'm glad you liked it, dude. I thought I was gonna get in trouble.
I don't get offended by stuff
Appreciate it,
like that,
appreciate
but
it.
some people get
They
offended.
do,
'cause
they
they're
do.
like, but I'm a small business.
But
Well, so am I.
I'm trying to help them from getting scammed, you know? Because a lot of people will be bullshitting. Let's have you
So I'm gonna have you
come over
sit
here
in.
with Ernie, okay?
Okay,
Read with the script, so no pressure.
perfect.
Okay, ready? Let's close that gate a little bit. Ready? Make sure my hair's good. All right, ready? 3, 2, and go.
Aside from the field, a crucial part of our operations is our shop manager. He plays a pivotal role in to make sure that we have all the materials and the equipment needed to perform the great services that you need here. So let's go and say hi.
That was great. Let's do it. When you walk in, let's have you kind of close to this wall a little
Got
bit
it.
and step over here. Because we're kind of tight, okay?
Got it.
Yeah. 1 second. Okay. From the top. And then you step, yeah. Ready? 3, 2, and action.
Aside from the field, a crucial part of our operations is our shop manager. He ensures that all of our materials are in top-notch condition before we install them in your home. So let's hear from him.
Hey, that was perfect, Devin. Can we have you literally like right here, facing like this? Let me show you. Kind of like working on stuff.
Like this.
Yeah, just like, just be all creepy.
I think you should, just because it's funny.
Okay.
You're all me? Oh, me? Silly me?
That was good, Ernie. That was a good shot. Okay.
Crucial part of our operations happens right here.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
So aside in the field, a crucial part of our operations happens right here in the shop. Our shop manager ensures that all of our materials are in top-notch condition before they're transferred to our technicians' trucks and installed in your home. So let's hear from him.
Awesome. All right, Ty, we're going to have you probably just walk from over here and then introduce yourself.
So I'd rather give that workspace to my team.
Yeah, I agree. Do your thing. So now we're going to do the outro, final shot of Devin before she goes out and leaves us forever.
Hey, if you guys come film in Havasu, you guys can stay in my apartment. there.
Really?
Yeah.
You hear that, Ernie?
You guys want to take a trip to the titty bar with me?
Yeah, hell yeah. I've never been out there, dude.
It's fun.
Yeah. Yeah, you tell me. I'm always ready.
No, I just haven't really found consistent, reliable videographers.
Yeah, it's because it's a side job for most people, dude.
It is.
You know?
It is. And that's it. Like the guy that I found, his primary audience is restaurants. So when I brought him in, he was really struggling with like
understanding the lingo and like
I can't explain it like
the vibe of it almost.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel it. Because blue collars, they have a certain tone,
Right.
you know? You gotta be ready.
Let me put my dog leash away.
Do your thing.
Just getting loose.
You still have this linked up? Loose?
No.
No? Okay. All right, let's do script and then no script.
Okay. So this is you want to record audio first?
Yes.
Okay.
1 second. Let me close this. We gotta wait for that
Close
back to
the
me.
training room door.
Okay.
Thank you, Roman. I
Of course.
appreciate it.
Of course. Count her down.
3, 2, 1, action.
And there you have it, a sneak peek into the daily operations here at Thompson Family Plumbing. I'm so incredibly And there you have it, a sneak peek into the daily operations here at TFP. I'm so incredibly proud of our team and the hard work that they put in each day to make everything run seamlessly. Because we make it look easy, don't we? Thank you for joining us with this behind the scenes. And remember, when you're in need of plumbing and drain cleaning services, you already know who to call, Thompson Family Plumbing.
Awesome. Think you remember that? You should probably wing it a bit, you know, add your little flair to it. Yeah, there you go. Okay. Let us know when you're ready. We're rolling. Ready when you are, Devin.
And there you have it, a sneak peek of behind the scenes of our team here at TFP. We make it easy, don't we? There's a lot of preparation and planning that goes into providing the services for you, High Desert. So remember, when you're in need of any plumbing services, call Thompson Family Plumbing.
Amazing. Got your socks in there too, dude.
Awesome.
You want to see it?
Yes.
Let's show her that last one. Let me stop the recording on this. Ready? 1 second, Clancy. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
How's it going there, guys? My name's Clancy, a proud technician at Thompson Family Plumbing.
You're gonna have to kick him.
Yeah, kick him. Yeah, kick him a bit.
I'll try to hold it.
That was perfect, though. Yeah, hold him.
Yeah.
Oh.
The
I did that.
only problem is
The lighting?
Yeah.
Okay.
So
You know, like, hurry up. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Ty, put this away.
I mean, we're gonna, of course, have to put it in place.
Hurry up.
You have another one for us?
I'm thinking, I'm plumber, of course I auger the toilets.
You what the toilet?
Auger?
What's
That's
all
what this.
Okay. We use the toilet inside?
Yeah.
Like, you doing that? All right.
No, this is good.
All right. We're gonna start with you right now, though.
Okay.
Let's get you walking into there, okay?
Walking in there? Got it.
Get you guys out in the shower.
And so I just walk in there and auger it?
Hey, is it
There's no light in there?
too dark?
It's pretty dark in there.
We don't have a fucking light in here? We don't have a, we're plumbers, we're not electricians.
My big pack out light.
Hey, where's that?
It's in the thing.
Drive it. Look, Andy, you got John's picture in the background?
Yes.
All set up.
up.
Yeah. Out of door?
Yeah.
No, it hits the ceiling, so so it looks like it's the.
They're like behind the scenes. We'll start a band, call the plumbers together to come out and see us.
We go like this.
All right, guys, we're finishing up these reels. We're doing what are we doing? I'm a plumber videos. A little viral right now. Shout out to Anthony for thinking of this. Okay,
Oh, I'm ready.
you ready? So we're gonna get you walking this way first, and then another flip of you actually doing the work. Okay.
Okay.
So let's start over here.
Alright, perfect.
Look into this lens, please. Okay. Big smile. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Action.
I'm a plumber, of course I'm gonna auger your toilet.
Awesome. Get you in there arguing the toilet now.
Sit.
Argue that.
Oh yeah.
Argue. Make it look like difficult, like. Yeah. Looks like you're struggling a little more.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, go up and down on it, up and down. You're good, you're good. You're good, brother.
One more time.
Okay. One more time. Oh my god, you're funny, dude.
Oh, fuck you.
You have another one, right?
No, that's it, right?
Go for a walk.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Plumber, of course, everything I got is Milwaukee. Read it.
Okay. Count them down, ready?
Alright.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, action.
I'm a plumber, of course, everything I got is Milwaukee.
Alright, let's get some power tools out.
Okay.
Keep forgetting. Get like 2 drills or some shit.
Okay.
We're gonna do like a quick shot of you, like slow-mo shot.
Okay.
Shoot that sponsor.
Red Bull sponsoring plumbers now. No one
I have no
probably would.
S&Q on this.
You my boy,
S&Q?
I
Alright,
have
cool.
not.
You have it? Don't do, wait, it's just 120, right? 1080? Okay. This,
The what?
what side? Yeah, that PV shit.
The backpack, the Milwaukee backpack.
Yeah, slap it on, dude. Fuck it. Yeah.
I was just kidding. Man. That's
That's
do it,
why.
bro.
Let's make him look corny as hell.
Now that we're doing it, you're shaking my
Okay, now you got to get up the Milwaukee Snake. Too.
No, get out of here.
Milwaukee Snake.
Bro, you're about to get some. Hey,
You're sponsored.
Yeah, I know.
I got the.
So-
I'm gonna have to get you sponsored by Milwaukee.
Hey, dude.
Let's get you like this and then.
Okay.
Boom.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Count them down.
The Terminator.
3.
You want me to be
Start like this and then and then
Okay.
start him. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Action. Let's get the backpack. Maybe go like that. Yeah. Let's put this down and then point at your back like that, like
Okay.
backpack. Same thing.
Yeah.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. Action. Yeah. Do you have any other ridiculous tool, like anything else?
Not really.
No, huh?
Uh-uh.
All right, that's fine then.
Perfect.
Looks good.
Sweet, thank you.
All right, Dean, you're up, dude. Come on, man. What ideas we got? Have anything that fits Dean? You want to do the Red Bull one, Dean?
Red Bull.
All right. Your mic come up.
Plumber, of course I went off.
Let me grab that mic for you.
Addicted to caffeine.
Like this.
Just go on the ground and have a seizure, dude.
No, they're gonna have every like seizure, anti-seizure people hit you up like that's fucked up. And you really have one. No.
Okay.
Yes, bitch, I do.
Get the camera
You
ready.
have a GoFundMe we can donate to. Like yes, you have. GoFundMe account, Dean's Red Bull Energy Drink Foundation.
Okay.
Really get me going. Ride that bull. Yeehaw.
Okay, ready?
Hey, what am I supposed to say again?
Like, I'm a plumber. Of course I'm addicted to caffeine.
Okay.
Maybe just drink it and then just fucking
Okay.
pound it on your head, you know?
Oh shit.
I'm just
yeah,
kidding.
I'll do it.
All
I'll
right,
do it.
bet. 1 second.
But if you pound on your head,
Go.
you
No, I'm
have
just
to one try and that's it. You can't do one and done. One take Dean. All right.
That's funny if he messes it up, though. Like, it'll be funny. Okay, 1 second. You want to recalibrate it? Oh, you took that PV off?
Well, bam. No,
Okay. Take your time, take your time.
I'm too big for it.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, and then maybe walk down, like, and you know? Okay, ready? And you take some steps back. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
I'm a plumber. Of course I'm addicted to caffeine.
You should have crushed it more, dude. Okay, Get him, record him. Wait, can you do that for us? Like, go ahead. That was good. What do we grab a Celsius and you just fucking...
Pound
Nah,
of Celsius.
I don't think...
I've been at work since 1 this morning.
For real? What the fuck?
I killed my Red Bull off. Everything's already done.
Since 1? What were you doing at 1?
We were down in Chino at Walmart distribution center.
Fuck, dude. For real? Damn.